In this video, I will share with you the method and strategies that helped me to earn $23,790 in commission with affiliate marketing using free traffic from Facebook. I will share with you how we can choose the right products or services that you should start promoting, how we can find the right people who will be interested to buy those services or products from you, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. So I made this commission from the first day of June until the day 9 of July. So it's almost like 39 days. I made this commission using free traffic. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots, guys. I can click over here. I have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, post, backs up, affiliates, even my ID here. I don't need to show that, but that's fine. So for people who are interested to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing business, all you have to do, guys, is you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commission. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are paying good commissions. Okay, you can check this website like I said. So just click over here to join, click on join now, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, so all you have to do, as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, email address, username, and password, and account type. Make it private. Okay, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. It's super easy. I'm gonna choose no, and choose your country over here. Okay, choose your country. They have different countries here, so you should find yours here, and choose your language. And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. It's super easy. The sign up process super easy, will take just a few minutes. So after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so it's super easy. So what you will do next is you need to choose a good services that you will promote to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr home page. So I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Facebook to earn commission. So click on the search for Twitch viewers, search for Twitch viewers, search for this service. Okay, I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose like this one is level 2 seller. I'm gonna see this one also is Fiverr choice, and this one is really a good seller also because he has a lot of reviews. Okay, you can see here a lot of reviews, and this service, so let me show you. I'm gonna delete this. So this service is really looking good, like this one is good. Okay, you can see a lot of reviews here. This service starting from $10, that's really good. I will choose this one. I will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, so all you have to do, you can see that the seller has a lot of reviews and 10 orders in queue. That's really good. People keep coming back, so meaning that the seller is providing a good service for his customers. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller of his profile. Just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So all you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook to the right people who will be interested to buy this service from you so you can earn commission. So go back and open your Facebook homepage, okay? Guys, you all have a Facebook profile or you have Facebook account. Just open your Facebook account like this, okay? Let me show you. Open your Facebook account like this. Click over here on the search of your Facebook and search for Twitch. Search for Twitch, okay? Let me show you. Search for Twitch. You have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. We need Facebook groups. Search for Facebook groups, okay? And here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you need to join about Twitch streamers. So click on join and make sure to join all those groups. It's for free. And let's choose, for example, this group over here. I'm gonna click on this one. So just click on the group that you want to use. So for example, I'm gonna use this one. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who has those Twitch accounts, okay? So those people who has Twitch accounts, why they are posting their Twitch videos here, okay? Their Twitch streamer videos here on this Facebook group because they want to get more views. They want to grow their Twitch account, get more views, and grow their Twitch accounts. That's why they are posting their Twitch videos here. The link, as you can see, like this one here. If we scroll down, here is another person. If we scroll down, here is another person, and a lot, okay? So let's choose. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one, okay? So what you will do, I will click and we need to send a professional message to this person. So this person has Twitch account, okay? As you can see here, Twitch, okay? So this person will be interested to buy this service to promote his Twitch channel and get more views. This person will be interested, okay? He's just because they are posting their Twitch links of his Twitch channel here to get more views, okay? So what I will do, I will click on his name and I will click on message, okay? So I will send a professional message to this person with my affiliate link. So how you can create a professional message? So what you will do, you will go to ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT account, go to Google, search for ChatGPT. It's for free, okay? It's for free. Just search for ChatGPT. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. And you should have an account like this one with ChatGPT. This AI will help you to create good and professional message. Click over here on message and put this message. You can copy my message if you want, or you can create your own message. So here, ask ChatGPT create a friendly and professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy Twitch viewers service from my Fiverr affiliate account. And here you go. Are you looking to boost your Twitch channel and increase your viewership? I have recently discovered an amazing service on Fiverr that can help you grow your audience and gain more viewers, okay, on Twitch. Whether you are just starting out or looking to take your streaming to the next level, but it's really a professional message, okay? So I will copy this message. So just copy this message. That's what you will do. Go back to Facebook. Put this message here, okay? Like this. And here you go. Go to this part. So here you need to put your affiliate link. So what you will do, let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and Fiverr did an update and they removed this one but you should see this one. It's almost the same. Fiverr Pro new plan. So copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, it's almost the same. And what you will do, and as you can see, this affiliate link is too much longer. I just want to make it short link. I can use this website. I like to make my affiliate links short links like this to make them looks professional. You can use this website if you want. It's not important, but for me, I like to use it. I will go back to Facebook and they will put this affiliate link here and they will click on message. And here you go. Your message will be sent to this person who is uh, who has Twitch channel, and he is this person will be interested to buy this service from you if he is interested to grow his Twitch channel and get more views. Okay, and as you can see, my message will be like this. If this person is interested, if he click on my affiliate link, for example, like this person will be directly to this seller profile page on Fiverr. This seller has this service starting from $10. That's really good. He will click on continue, buy this service from me, and they will earn commission. And that's it. It's super easy, guys. I share with you how we can choose the right services, how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. So all you have to do is you need to do your work. You will stay consistent. You will keep doing more research. You will learn marketing. You will learn how you can convince customers to buy services from you or products. I don't know. It's up to you. I share with you all the methods that I'm using and how we can find free customers without investing any money in paid ads. People are paying a lot of money to promote their services on Facebook. For you, you will use Facebook groups for free. Okay, free customers. If you scroll down, you can find a lot of people here who has Twitch channels like this one. Hi, follow for follow. So this one wants to grow his Twitch channel. I can send this person a message with my affiliate link. It's super easy. Okay, scroll down. Here is another person, Twitch. Okay, I can send the message to this person if he is interested to grow his Twitch channel, and that's it. Okay, so this is the methods that I'm using to promote my affiliate links using free traffic, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Also, guys, I'm working on an I'm creating an affiliate marketing course that will cover everything, okay, from scratch. It's like from zero to hero. Okay, this course, this affiliate marketing course, will be the best affiliate marketing course ever. Okay, will cover everything. They will be done in the next 2 weeks or maybe just in the next week. I don't know. I'm trying to make it done very soon as possible, and that's it. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. Make sure to like this video so you can share more videos like this, sharing with you new strategies, new methods, new services, and so much more. And see you in my next videos.